Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to another fun creative photography video. This one I had a lot of fun with, and we just used a couple of components to get shots like these. Now essentially what I did was I got a rubber band, or in this case a hair tie, and actually put that around my lens, and then I got some fake flowers that I picked up at the local dollar store. I kind of tore those apart and stuck them around the lens, and I'll give you a better visual of that here. But just wanted to give you some context before we jump into the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So you may notice right here, I am actually trying to get a lower angle because I thought that the contrast between those pink flowers would go really well with the blue clouds in the background, just like you see here. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you're shooting stuff like this where there's objects close to the lens, to get a little bit more detail out of them, you want to shoot at a higher f-stop. So here's an example of an image that I was shooting at f5.6. And then here is another one that I was shooting much lower at about 2.8. And you can see that the objects closest to the lens in this case are actually significantly more blurry. And guys, that is gonna wrap up this creative fun photography video. It was very enjoyable and just really cool to get out and shoot something different. And I think you could really create some really cool variety of images using some technique like this, because you can get a lot of different colors of flowers and different sizes to really get some unique results, to be honest. And I had a lot of fun shooting these images. I think they came out really good. I hope you enjoyed them too. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. It really does help the channel continue to grow. And if you're not already subscribed, consider doing so, as we have new fresh content coming out every single week for you guys. Now with that said, thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.